What's up, everybody? It's Cheddar Chez, and I'm here to talk about that, the hissing noise that's in your interviews and all your other videos is terrible. So let's talk about it. So we've all been there, you might have a cheap mic that doesn't record sound very well, or you might not have a mic at all. I don't know, whatever your issue is, you want to get rid of the hissing. That's what we're about to talk about. All you have to do is go into Premiere, go into the effects tab, and then type in adaptive noise reduction. Drag that onto your clip, and then what you're going to want to do is go into the effects and controls tab, type in, or click the edit button, and then when you click that drop down menu, you want to select light noise reduction or heavy, depending on whatever your sound, however your sound is set up or what your situation is. But normally I just click light noise reduction, and you'll see those little levels down there change a little bit, and then from there go back and play the clip again. You'll hear hissing at first, but then it'll start to mellow out for the rest of the clip. But one thing you need to look out for when you're doing this, especially for interviews that you have cut up, what I like to do is select all the clips and then make those a subsequence, drag that subsequence out, and then after that drag on the adaptive noise reduction and do it on the subsequence, and then replace your actual clips with the subsequence. That way when you don't have to apply the adaptive noise reduction to every single clip, and then it won't keep buzzing in and out trying to figure out how to balance all the hissing. So right now there's no adaptive noise reduction, so you should hear some type of hissing on this mic. Now I'm about to apply it. Now you should hear the difference so you can see what it's like from using it versus not using it. So that's it for this video, guys. If it helps you out, if it helps you get rid of that hissing and stuff, go ahead, drop a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe because we got more videos coming all the time. It's Cheddar Chez, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Keep it easy, stay cheesy, peace.